discussed about final S words with Z or S sound, right? Today also we are going to do some activity regarding final S words with the S or Z sound. Okay, I request you to open your workbook page number 11. Page number 11 workbook. Okay, see, there are some activity regarding final S words with the S and Z sound. See, in previous class, as I told you, the words ends with the S letter. S letter, it may make S sound or Z sound. Yes, when we pronounce yes, our vocal cord will not, it do not vibrate, right? And if we pronounce word Z, our vocal cord vibrates, right? And see, in your textbook we have learned the examples also, like parents, tournaments. Those words has a yes sound. It ends with a yes sound. So when we pronounce those words, our vocal cord do not vibrate. And the same ears, dialogues. When we pronounce those words, our vocal cord get vibrates. So those words ends with a Z sound. The final letter is yes, even though that letter pronounced as Z. Right. Okay, let us see the activity from workbook. Filling the blanks with the correct word from the box. Write yes if the word used has the final S or S sound, and Z if the word used has the final Z sound in the blank at the end of each sentence. See, there are two blanks are there for each sentence. What we have to do, in first blank we have to fill the sentence by using the correct word from the box. See, parents, roses, coaches, and pears, and tears, and sleeps, and hills. Those words are given in the box. With the first blanks, what we have to do? We have to fill any appropriate word from any correct word from the box, and we have to fill the sentence correctly. We have to make the sentence correctly by using the correct word from the box. And at last we can see one more blank is there for each sentence. We have to write there whether those words, the word which we filled with the the blanks with some words. Now the word which we fill the blanks, those words are ending with the S sound or Z sound. We have to fill at last blank is there. Now we have to fill. If the word is ending with the S sound, we can write there yes. We can write there yes like this. If the word end with the Z sound, we can write there Z like this. Okay. See, this is the activity. See, the school has called a meeting of all dash on Saturday. The school has called the meeting of, whose meeting will hold in school? Parents meeting, right? The school has called the meeting of all parents on Saturday. Parents. Yesterday also we learned that parents, the ending letter is S. It is pronouncing as S only, not Z. Parents. So we can write there. First one is ending with the S sound. Right. Parents, answer is parents. It ends with the S sound. And the owl sleeps in the day night. The owl sleeps in the day night. Owls are sleeping in day night. Daytime. The owl sleeps in the daytime. It won't sleep at night, right? Owls won't sleep at night, and owl sleeps in daytime. Answer is sleeps. Answer is sleeps, and it is ending with a yes or z sound. Say, keep your finger on your throat and you can check it. Sleeps. How it is? Is it vibrating your vocal cord? No, sleeps. It is ending with a yes sound only. Sleeps. Second one also ending with a yes sound. And next, third one. The coaches of the train were neat and clean. The coaches of the train were neat and clean. Answer is coaches there. The coaches of the train were neat and clean. Here the word coaches ending with a S letter, but it pronounced as Z. Coaches. Coaches. It is pronouncing as yes. If you have any doubts in pronunciation, you can check in dictionary or somewhere. You will get the clear pronunciation. See, coaches. It is pronouncing as coaches. A Z sound is there. Okay. So third one answer is coaches, and it is ending with a Z sound. So second one S sound, third one Z sound. Okay. And next, the garden is full of blooming dash. The garden is full of blooming dash. What is the answer? Blooming roses. Blooming roses. Answer is roses, and roses, the word roses ends with S letter, but it says like roses. Z letter. It is pronouncing as Z letter. Roses. Our vocal cord will vibrate when we say the word roses. Roses. Right. So fourth one is ending with the Z sound. Okay. And next, fifth one. The sports teacher asked the students to stand in dash. The sports teacher asked the students to stand in pairs. Answer is pairs. Pairs. P-A-I-R. Yes, pairs. Ending with S letter but pronouncing as Z. It sounds like Z. So, fifth one, it sounds, last S letter sounds like a Z. Okay, pairs. Answer is pairs and sounds like a Z. And Mary's eyes were full of dash. Mary's eyes were full of tears. Full of tears. Tears. Tears also ends with a Z sound. Letter is S, but it sounds like Z. Tears. Tears. Okay. Z. Sixth one. Z. Okay. Next. Seventh one. The Sahyadri dash are dotted with Shivaji's fort. The Sahyadri hills. Sahyadri is hills, right? The Sahyadri hills are dotted with the Shivaji's forts. Hills. 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 Hills also ending with S letter, but it sounds Z. Okay, hills. So seventh one also sounds like Z. Okay. See these words pronunciation. If you have any doubt, you can search in dictionary or in Google also. Okay. Parents, sleeves, coaches, roses, pears, tears, and hills. Okay, these are the answers. I will send these answers along with this video. And next activity, it is your homework. Next activity. See, find the final S sound words in the word search. Then categorize them based on the final sounds. See what you have to do. You have to categorize. See, there are some words. you have to separate yes sound words. Which word is ending with S sound, not Z sound? Which word is ending with S sound? You have to separate it, and here you can find the words which are the words ending with S sound. You have to find it here first. Later what you have to do? You have to you have to write here. Already you have to separate here S sound words. You have to circle here in word search. Okay. Later you have to categorize S sound words and Z sound words. You can write here which words are ending with S sound. All the words are ending with S letter. Right. But which words are ending with S sound and Z sound? Somewhere S is pronouncing S is sounds like Z. Which are those words? You can write there. Z sound words and S sound words. Okay, separate it and write. This is your today's homework. Do your homework, and this answer also you have to fill in your workbook, and do your homework and send